Swydo's all-in-one reporting solution makes it easy to connect data from different marketing platforms and create comprehensive reports. Our report templates make it easy. You can choose from our library of metrics and preset widgets, or you can add your own customized one. Stay ahead of your targets with our goal-setting feature and make informed decisions to drive success and grow your business. Impress your clients with professional branded reports on your own domain. And use our scheduling feature to save valuable time. Share your customized reports as a PDF, dashboard, or live presentation. Automate your reporting, save time, and scale your business with ease. Try Swydo for free today.